Hey everybody, my Scribian MMK podcast. Today's training, it's something that I trained to my team because it's August 1st and I said, you know what, this is great idea to share with others as well. Because it's August 1st, a lot of times people have this hobby that, it's the beginning of the month, I'm going to make some changes. And one of the best ways to make changes is understanding what I called the power of restarting, right? And many of us that have phones, just like our phones, it needs to get restarted. So your mind needs to do the same. So that's what I want to talk to you guys about. When your phone runs for weeks without restarting, guess what happens? Apps slow down, number one. The battery drains faster. Too many programs run in the background. It starts freezing. Have you noticed it? When you don't restart your phone, it doesn't perform at its full potential. People are the same way. Guess what? If they never restart their mindset, they're gonna have these kind of issues. So what we need to focus if we never restart our mindset? What are some of things that bothers us, right? Last month's disappointments, somebody maybe didn't agree with you, or you got a rejection about the projects you were doing. And if you're in sales like me, if you're in a business world, maybe somebody rejected your offer. Some fear replaces your confidence, right? You had a fear, excuses that runs in your background. Our energy drops and also our production slows down. The solution isn't buying a new iPhone, right? When your iPhone has these issues, you don't just say, you know what, let me just go and replace my iPhone. That's not the issue. The solution, all you got to do is a restart. And the same thing in your life, in your business life, in your personal life. Many times over, we need to learn how to restart ourselves. So today is the first of the month, right? And all you got to do when you restart, forget what happened in the past. Many times people, the reason they don't have energy, they're not motivated, and they don't perform well in their business or in their personal life is because they always have this in their back mind that, you know what, whatever happened in the past, they take that and then put it in the top of the future, and that's how they see the future. So that's wrong way of living. It's always going to put you back and not let you succeed in your life. That's why restarting your mind is very important. What happens during a mental restart? Number one, a clear mindset performs better. I'm gonna go back to the phone example. Background apps drain your battery. Remember, background thoughts drain your success. Question: what if somebody rejects me and I start something from scratch? Well, it doesn't matter. Start the restart, right? Now, in a phone, we have a thing called install updates. And many times, I'm an iPhone user, and many times Apple sends us that we need to do this update, and it teaches and it shows us why this update for, what it's gonna fix, what errors it's gonna improve, and all that. Your phone needs software update. Guess what? We as a human, we also need our mindset to be updated. So what we need to focus on? Maybe we need to learn to improve some of the hobbies that really keeps us back from improving our life and living a better lifestyle. Maybe we need to install a new update called discipline. We got to improve our discipline. Maybe we need to improve some of the skills to make our lives better and live better life, right? The people who grow the fastest are the ones who update themselves the most. Okay? Now, think of this way. Again, the phone analogy. Your phone cannot and will not work at the best if you have 1% battery life, right? Neither do people. Recharge yourself through doing these activities. Number one, reading good stuff, reading a good book, If you're a believer, reading the Bible, reading books that's going to inspire you and teach you and educate you to become a better person. Maybe watch or go to some trainings to improve your lives, whatever area you're working on. Maybe you should really work on your prayer life. Maybe pray before you leave the house so you can connect with God and God can give you wisdom. Maybe you need to work on exercise or watch some positive podcast, something like mine. I hope you're gonna watch my podcast if you're first time more and more and subscribe it. I'm gonna take the opportunity and ask you that favor. If you didn't subscribe to my podcast channel, MMK Podcast, please do so. Now, another feature that the phone has that we time to time we need to do, it's called delete unnecessary files. Well, in our mind as a human being, what files maybe we need to delete after restarting our mind? Files such as called excuses. We gotta learn how to delete that file and become less of an individual who always makes excuses. Fears, right? That's a file. Many of us have fear and fear stops us from growth. Maybe you gotta work on your fear, delete that file. Negativity, right? A lot of us so fast catching ourselves that we're being negative and we're watching a lot of negative news. Guess what? It's gonna directly or indirectly, it's gonna impact your life. Or maybe we gotta delete the file called complaining, right? Have you ever catch yourself everywhere you go, maybe you're complaining? You gotta stop that. You gotta change that, right? Or another file, I call it procrastination. One of the reasons people don't succeed in their life bigger and faster is because they always procrastinate things. I'll do it next month, I'll start next month, I'll start next year. Guys, that doesn't help you. Delete that file, right? Now, one of the important things, your phone, for it to work better, is connect to a Wi-Fi, right? A phone without connection is limited. People without connecting stop growing. Who you need to stay connected to? Maybe positive people around you, maybe the mentors. Maybe you got to stay connected with your family. Stay connected with your purpose. And most importantly, stay connected with God. Now, I hope that this restarting, you don't do it once in a while or one time. I believe we need to learn how to restart on weekly basis, on monthly basis, in daily basis. Why? Because that helps us to refresh and restart and become better and do better. Remember, restart your mind regularly. Don't look in the past, look future, because there's great things ahead of you. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, subscribe to the channel, follow me everywhere on social media at @MySmikeCaribbean. Have a good one. Take care.